Hello everyone! Are you tired of sharing your space with pesky mice, roaches, and other unwelcome critters? Well, you're in luck. Today I'm sharing a homemade solution that's safe, effective, and avoids all those dangerous poisons. So let's kick those pests out of your home for good. First up, we need some simple ingredients. Grab yourself 3 generous tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Let's mix these together. You've asked for this recipe, and I'm here to deliver. No one likes uninvited guests, right? Once everything is well combined, we're moving on to our next step. Now, we need a large, ripe tomato. Slice it into finger-width pieces, just like this. It's time to pour our mixture over these slices. This step is crucial. When rats consume cornstarch, it expands in their stomachs, leading to digestive issues. Meanwhile, the roaches will be attracted to the sugar and will munch on our mixture. Now, place these tomato slices in strategic areas around your home. This combo is incredible. It will scare away all kinds of bugs. Speaking of effective, we can do the same with cucumber. Let's see those cucumber slices and spread our mixture on them. Cucumbers are a natural repellent for insects, plus they're safe for kids and pets. So if you're looking to get rid of roaches, rats, and other insects in a safe and effective way, this homemade trick is just what you need. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's make our homes pest-free. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your pest control journey. Bye for now.